Hi, this is Miss Chalone, and I'm here for my 1,000 subscribers video. I thought, what can I do to celebrate having 1,000 subscribers? And Fortnite seems to be all the rage, so I'm going to show you some Fortnite dance songs on recorder and show you how to play them. So the first one is from Smooth Moves, and it goes like this. Okay, so this one starts on A, and it goes A, G, high E. Now, high E is just like low E, 3 plus 2, but you're going to pop your thumb off just a little bit in order to get that high note. So it's A, G, A. Okay, A, G, A. Looks like this. 1, 2, here we go. Okay, that's the first part. The second part starts the same. A, G, but then it goes C, B. So it's A, G, C, B. Let's try that one. 1, 2, here we go. So let's put those two together. 2, here we go. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, here we go. Okay, the third one is A, G. So it's the same as the first one. Okay, then there's a little tag ending and it goes B, C, B, A. So let's just practice that tag ending. Starting on B. 1, 2, here we go. 2, again we go. 2, again we go. One more time, here we go. Okay, so we're going to put the first one together with the second one. A, G, C, B. With the first one again. A, G, and then the ending. B, C, B, A. And you know the whole thing. So let's just practice the whole thing a few times. 1, 2, here we go. Okay, so there you have it. Smooth Moves from Fortnite. Stay tuned for more.